Hey guys, Trevor here with Ecommerce Paradise, and today's episode is all about paid traffic. So this week's theme is paid traffic in the Dropship Daily videos, and what I wanted to talk about today was Facebook retargeting ads. So when somebody lands on your e-commerce website and they leave, which most people do, then you want to be able to retarget them, and there's multiple ways to do that. One of them is to use Facebook ads, and specifically Facebook dynamic product retargeting ads. Now, this is something you can set up in Facebook yourself, but it would take some effort and some research. There's companies out there, however, that do this for a nominal fee per month, and they'll charge you either that fee or they'll charge you a little bit extra beyond the ads to do it. And so I want to show you 3 companies that I've seen, used, and recommend, and one of them that I will tell you that I actually use right now. So the first one is RetargetApp. RetargetApp is pretty cool. It's available for Shopify stores, and you can install it as an app in your Shopify background. What they do is they'll take your products that are in your catalog, and then they'll display ads to anybody who's visited your site in the last 30 days. So RetargetApp is not the most targeted app than the other one that I'm going to talk about next, but it does help serve ads to your customers really easily. So if you don't know how to do it and you need to launch fast and you want to get retargeting ads out there, it does serve ads to anybody who's been to your website in the last 30 days. You can choose your budget between like $5, $10, $15, $20, and you can put all your unique value proposition and your calls to action and your conversion optimization stuff into the ad so that you can help close sales. So that's a good way to get started, launch fast. The next one, though, I highly recommend using is Shoelace. Shoelace is really cool because it's actually a much more targeted retargeting app feature. So they call their targeting app journeys, and the way they set it up is that they'll serve a different ad to your customers every single day that they look at their feed. So one day they'll see one ad, and the next day they'll see a different ad, the next day they'll see a different ad. And it's kind of like a abandoned cart campaign with your emails. You're not going to send the same email to somebody 5 days in a row or up to 30 days in a row. You want to send a different email to that person each time you have a communication with them, and it's the same thing here. So they call it journeys, and they'll be serving you an ad that's different every single time that you see, the thing. And it's the same way that RetargetApp is set up. It's an app in Shopify, and you install it, and then you set it up with your Facebook ads account, and you set them up as an admin, and then they will build your ads, and you can connect it to other things like MailChimp and Shopify reviews, and the pricing starts at $49 a month for Shoelace. So I recommend using Shoelace. It's really great. You can go to ecommerceparadise.com/shoelace and get started with them today. The last one I want to talk about in this video is Perfect Audience. Perfect Audience is really cool. I know a guy who's been using it and recommends it, so I would definitely say that it's good because he's a great guy, and you can try it free for 14 days, so it's pretty cool. They do more than just dynamic retargeting. They also do web retargeting, which is like your Google retargeting ads you can see across websites, and they also do mobile retargeting. But I recommend definitely getting started with Facebook retargeting and dynamic retargeting, and then web retargeting. So they do a lot of different big companies' ads, and they also offer all this cool stuff. The pricing... let's see, the pricing on this is similar to Shoelace from what I remember. So basically there's no setup fee, no minimum spend, free to try, but they are going to charge you for like the clicks that you get. So instead of doing a monthly fee, you get charged on a CPC basis, which is really cool. So Shoelace is $50 a month. And Perfect Audience is CPC, and retargeting ads, I believe RetargetApp costs somewhere around $19 a month. Here it is. Okay, so it's $15 a month. Based on your monthly retargeting spend, it's not lower than $15 per month, and you'll get a percentage charged to your account if you are spending over a certain amount. So it's 10% if you spend $150 a month or more, 8%, 5%. That kind of thing. And it can be as low as $15 a month. But I usually spend around $150 a month, so I'll spend about 10% extra beyond that, which is $15 extra, and they do my ads for me, which is really cool. So I currently use RetargetApp, which is not ideal. I'm going to be switching into Shoelace pretty soon because I really like their journeys feature. And you guys can also consider setting up Perfect Audience. So all these and more resources are available in ecommerceparadise.com/resources page on our website. and definitely get this set up. I highly recommend it because there's no better way to bring people back than from when they're browsing their feed. It's a time when they're just looking to do something, and if they forgot to buy that product they really want, then it's very likely that they're going to place that order then. And that's a great way just to reach people multiple times so that they see you. And if you can design it with a different message each time and make it more fun and engaging for them to do business with your company, it's way more likely they'll actually know, like, and trust you then at that point. I highly recommend using videos in your ads if at all possible. I know dynamic ads, you can't really do that because it's products, but you can look into doing something like that, and video ads really do convert better than photo ads. All right, with that said, that's the traffic hacks for today is Facebook retargeting ads. And we'll get into the next one tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Definitely subscribe, like, comment, and share with all your friends so I can get this information out there more. And definitely check out academy.ecommerceparadise.com for all of our training courses for entrepreneurs. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.